Hello guys from my street Iacopelli. Today we are here in Los Angeles and of course it's about pizza. But this is special because I'm going to show you the two best slices in LA with this guy Giovanni from Italian Exploring Food.
Vito, I have news for you.
I'm gonna bring you to the best slices.
Okay, I'm sure about that, but I have a new place.
Which one?
Just opened new. David Dobrik's Pizzerias. You know
Hold on,
David
Dobrik,
Dobrik?
the YouTuber guy.
The YouTuber,
He just
one of
opened
the
a
most famous. Just opened it in Sunset Boulevard. Today it's
wait,
going to
that's
open.
okay. There is a YouTuber. I'm a pizza chef, YouTuber. So if you know about food,
Yeah,
We have to
I
go
don't
try
know
that.
if it's good,
It's
but it's a good business. Let's try it out.
probably it's gonna be super busy.
We can try.
It's worth my time in line to taste this pizza.
I totally don't know. I didn't try it yet.
For you, I'm going to taste that pizza too, and we'll see if it's the second best pizza slice. But I'm gonna bring you to the first, the best. Enjoy and watch until the end. Smash the like and subscribe. It's totally free. My friend, guaranteed this is the best slice because every time you go, every time, at whatever time of the day you go on the month, this pizza is the perfect slice.
There is a local favorite on slice.
Yes, and Joe
Okay.
also is my friend. I did a couple of videos here.
Okay.
I
But
want
this
you.
one is better than New York.
I think so. Yes, I've been to both. This is better. And I want
Yes.
you guys to taste it.
Oh my
Okay.
You too.
Okay.
Can you taste it today? A little bite.
Yeah, I need a
A
bite.
little bite. She's a
She's
fitness.
on diet. She's on diet.
I'm on diet, sorry.
Okay, guys, we have Armando here, is the head chef of
Ciao, ragazzi.
Joe's Pizza, right?
Yes, I am.
Can you show us how you make the Joe's Pizza? Let's go see how he makes it from scratch. This is the dough.
This is the dough, just one
big dough.
side. Yeah, for it,
What's the weight of this dough?
2 once for the pizza to go.
Like
For
this?
the home is a little bit bigger, 23.
You guys understand that this is a New York style pizza. Look at how it's nice. That's oh my god.
And then the secret is little salt, little cheese. That's it. You can test the dough.
Little sauce, little cheese. That's a fresh tomato sauce, no sugar, no blah blah blah, blah blah blah, no oregano. That's
blah,
fresh,
blah, blah.
That's fresh tomato sauce. That's
There
it.
you go. Simple.
Maybe a little bit
Simple.
of salt inside. That's it. So we love meat.
Italian sausage, homemade meatballs. About 7 minutes.
You say 7-8 minutes and it's gonna be ready. You'll see the texture of this dough.
Okay.
It's not like Italian style or Neapolitan style, totally different.
But you
No,
know,
you
I'm
taste it.
Italian, but I already taste a lot of American pizza and I love that.
Okay guys, the pizza's coming out. Now, because we are getting the slice, show us how you do the slice. It's gonna cut it into slice. It's gonna become more crunchy. What do you do now?
We're gonna wait just a couple of seconds so the cheese is gonna set up and then we're gonna put it
Back in
inside.
the oven. So they're gonna put it back in the oven. This way it becomes more crispy, more crunchy.
So what's the goal for this pizza for you?
The goal is the texture and the fragrance.
It's not
Yeah.
Neapolitan, it's not Roman.
No.
It's New York style.
It have to be New
I
York
love that.
style. It have to be New York style because you cannot serve a Neapolitan style for a slice.
Okay, for sure, for sure.
So 3 slices for you guys.
Right, 3 slice. So that's what it's gonna do now. So it's gonna put it back in the oven.
On the stone, so it's gonna get crispy. 20 seconds is ready.
Directly on the stone.
First one.
So take a look of the crispiness of the pizza dough. Take a look. Amazing. My mouth is watering.
For me, this is a cheat. It's a good dough with a good mozzarella, good tomato, and of course the meat.
I mean, because it's my favorite. My favorite slice. Wow. Give a little piece to Emily.
Let's see. My first time at Joe's Pizza.
You know, it's kind of famous, Joe's, right?
Okay.
You know why?
No.
It's in the movie of Spider-Man 2
Ah, okay,
in
yeah.
New York. You see Spider-Man 2 by Tobey Maguire?
I know to be my qua, I make pizza.
You make pizza for
Pizza.
Tobey Maguire?
Wow, it's amazing.
It's delicious, right?
Yeah, the meat is so nice, but also the crunchy here. I love this pizza.
Let's go see if we can find something else.
We just opened Dog Brick Pizza right close here. He has like 2,000 people
Well, today-
outside in the line.
Well, we're gonna see if we can get it there.
We just try.
If we can get there, we can get a slice. I'm gonna go ahead and do a live review of the pizza. Okay? I cannot say it's the best because I never tasted. So I'm gonna go there.
I never tried that.
Okay, so we're
I
gonna
just
do a
saw
review.
on YouTube. I just saw.
Hopefully we can make it happen. So let's go. It's close to here. It's like a block away. I'm not gonna go ahead and put it in line. You crazy? The line is like 4 hours. Let's see if I know someone in the front, or if maybe they know me. Maybe we sneak in like Iraq, my friend. We're gonna sneak in the front. We're gonna pretend we are going to the other restaurant. That's crazy, man. For one restaurant, it's insane. And the people they wait here for a slice of pizza. Oh, I mean, we are trying to find someone because we are shooting a video here. So guys, we are trying to get in and taste this pizza, but so much noise, so much people. David is there, but he didn't see me. Yeah, David, hello, I'm here. I want to taste your pizza. David, I want to taste your pizza. Nothing. We are trying to see in person David, but just to show him that I have #1 pizza channel to try this pizza. So I'm gonna still wait another 15 minutes. If it's not, I'm gonna leave and come back another time. 3, 2, 1. Giovanni just left us. He was tired of waiting. Probably went back to the other line. So if we are able to taste the pizza, okay, first customer in. If we're able to taste this pizza today, we'll see. How was it? Nothing, guys. Forget about it. I'm not gonna wait in line. This is crazy for a slice of pizza. But I saw some pizzas not so crazy. I might go another day and taste it. David is there, still going crazy. Look at this. Okay guys, and here we go. After 4 days we are back here and still a little line, not like the one from before, but it's a little line.
Vito, wait. I have a little surprise for you.
Oh, the line. Hey, let's go.
You want to know a secret?
Right. Yeah, what's that?
I show to your followers, okay?
For sure he came here without me. What is it? Oh my god, what happened? Pineapple? Pineapple on the pizza? Okay, Gela. But don't tell me how is it, I wanna taste it.
I will not tell you nothing. I already shot a video yesterday over here.
I wanna taste it myself.
Okay.
With you guys, I wanna get your reaction too. This
Vito,
video is about the 2 best slices, but we don't know if this is the best slice. So I'm telling you, but at the end of the video, this is the best slice. Now I have to taste it. I like it already, that's a good vibe. If the pizza is good, we do pizza party right here. But no pineapple. Okay. I'm paying with my own money to show you that this video is not a sponsor, it's an honest review. We'll see if this is gonna be a best slice or not. $41. 6 slices of pizza, $41. Okay guys, I'll tell you something. This coin, we do a pizza party, a real pizza party, only if the slice is good. This time, they are really heavy. Okay, so guys, let's get serious. We dance, party, ba 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 ba. So now, this is the moment to decide if this is the best slice in LA. So we got a middle over, something with something.
What is that?
And then we got the typical here. They say vodka sauce. We're gonna get drunk here. Okay, so let's see this pizza. Okay, I'm gonna start this review. So this is the slice. It's a little doughy, it's heavy. So being heavy, that means the fermentation is it's cooked properly. Let's see. I want to show you that the dough, it's a little bit raw. The taste, of course, the pepperoni tastes good. I'm gonna go ahead and taste this vodka, whatever. It's like I'm eating bread with parmesan, cold pesto. I just get a piece this way. No, on top it's a little bit raw. It's a little raw. That was not actually bad, but the pesto is good. The dough, unfortunately, is a little heavy.
Yeah, this one is the best for
The middle over.
The middle over is the best.
Let's taste the middle over. definitely it's not the best slice to be judged as the best slice because the pizza is alright. I can tell they have quality ingredients. The dough, they need to work a lot on the dough. And then I'm gonna get this occasion to tell you, David, if you're watching this video or some management, the management of this pizza place, if you guys need some help, I can help with the dough because the dough is a little bit too heavy. I can help you to work on the dough because that's what I do, not for the money, just to make this pizza place a little bit better, the dough. So if you really care about this pizza place, you're in the middle of the Los Angeles, I really like the ambience, you are super popular, you deserve to have the dough a little bit better. So if you want, I can help you. So let me know, call me on Instagram, check them out, and then we can fix the dough. But after all, the slice, it's alright. When it's hot, it's good. Probably when it's cold, it's a little bit too heavy. I'm really passionate about pizza, and I want to tell you that if you really love pizza, you have to give me a chance to be able to help you to make really the best slice of Los Angeles, because you really deserve. This place deserves. And of course, guys, we got this coin here that I'm gonna save it, and maybe we can have a pizza party once we make the dough a little bit better. So now let's go in another pizza place that they have probably the best slice that I think is the best second slice in Los Angeles. Let's go. Okay, so we are here at Prince Pizza. I didn't been here for a long time, but I think probably this is gonna be the second best slice. They have Sicilian style, it's about to be like Detroit style, very crunchy.
Okay, I want to try one of these.
One cheese and one pepperoni, classic.
And one slice.
Oh, one's a regular slice. Okay, perfect.
This one is kind of different.
I think it's pesto. So like we say, we pay and we keep doing. No problem, all the time. Even if the pizza is, we'll see how it is. We got 25 bucks in this pizza for 3 slices. So focus on the money that gets in, not out. We got a pizza, look at this nice box. I like to put parmesan on the pizza.
You like to put the parmesan?
Yeah, let's taste.
Oh, look at this. Sit on the box. Kind of crispy at the bottom.
Same issue here. We got the same dough that is a little bit. Well, let's taste. Maybe it's definitely good. Let's taste. I like the parmesan.
Good tomato, good mozzarella,
A good dough.
good toast. This is special. The tomato, the rosemary is very special. Oh shit.
It's definitely more lighter and tastes really good.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
For me, it's better than Joe.
Wow.
It's better than Joe.
Wow, the cheese really tastes good, man.
It's with pesto, ricotta, cheese, and olive.
It's good. Yeah, definitely this they get the second best slice.
The Sicilian style is the first one for me.
Yeah, I like it too.
The cheese one is better than just pizza for me.
Let's go outside, I want to show you something. The funny thing. Hey, you want to know the funny thing? All the best slices in Los Angeles, they're all on the same street.
Yeah, it's right.
You notice this? Like about 4 or 5 blocks away, they have all the slices. But okay, I want to say that this is for me the second slice, best slice, the cheese pizza, the cheese square Sicilian style, really good. It deserves the second best slice. Yes.
I search always something new from the pizza, okay? The just pizza is something that you can usually taste, okay? It's not that, wow.
A usual taste, yeah,
A usual taste. This one,
definitely this is a surprise.
It's a surprise because it's crunchy. It's not that soft kind.
Really sweet tomato.
Sweet tomato. I enjoy that better than many others.
Now it's your turn to comment below which one was better for you guys. Comment below, and of course check out my friend here from Italian Exploring Food, because big things are coming. Wait to see.
And we are going to do something even greater in Italy together and here in Los Angeles too. So
Spoiler.
get ready.
Spoiler. Subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao. Bye.